2012 Prius, about to recharge it. It's on vacuum. Here's the scale. We're in vacuum. Let's see if I could do this without dropping that. Let's turn off the vacuum. It was just low on refrigerant, so this is just getting a quick drain and refill. Okay, let's open the refrigerant, and this needs 520 grams. So we're zeroed. Refrigerant is open. Let's see how long 520 grams take. I think it was a time stamp 32 seconds. $520. I shut it off. It'd be helpful if I didn't have the engine on. Just started coming on. Oh, $4.95, and I forgot to turn the engine off again. God dang it. That sucks. Okay. $4.95. 510. Well, I totally screwed that one up by starting the compressor. 515. I'll leave it at 515 right there. All right, that's all. That's just a quickie.